So this is how much I've been able to make so far from this new app that has been currently trending. Yeah, because I saw a lot of persons talking about this particular app. So I had to test it out myself to actually confirm that this app is actually real. And yeah, this was my result. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to sign up on this app correctly. Now, let me firstly remind you guys this. On this particular app, this app is very, very different. If you miss one step when you're trying to register, trust me, you cannot register an account again without your phone unless you have another phone. So I would advise you not to skip any part of this video because you might be actually missing the important step, and I'm going to be using more of test on screen for this particular video. So do to watch this video to the very end so you can actually understand. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started into today's video. Video disclaimer: this video is for educational and tutorial purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not guarantee any earnings. Your results will depend on your efforts and your experience, as I am sharing my honest review after testing out this app here on my channel. And it is important to know that this app, there is no fixed earning, like a fixed earning that you're actually going to make once you sign up. No, because this app is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, I do not talk about get rich quick scheme here on my channel, and it is always advisable for you to actually do your own research before getting started on any app, as I am sharing my honest review. Now, before we do anything, this is what you want. This is what I actually need you guys to like understand, right? Now, this app is owned by Gem Gala. Now, I believe a lot of persons know about the app called Gem Gala. Now, if you already, maybe let's say if you have a previous account on Gem Gala, do not use the same Google email that you used when you were trying to sign up. Like when you sign up on Gemgala, use a different email. Now, if maybe let's say you have an old account on Gemgala, but like you don't actually remember it, do well to create a new Google email before you actually do this particular update, so that your device don't just waste like that. Create a new email. Now, for you guys that are already in my WhatsApp group, I believe you already know about this particular update, right? But if you're not, just check the pinned comment section. You're going to find the link. So once you tap on it, it's going to take you to your browser and you're going to see something like this. So you just tap on install. Okay. So after installing the app and you open it, this is the interface that you're going to see. Please take note, this is one of the most important parts. Do not tap on sign up with Google. Do not tap on phone number. Tap on quick login. If you mistakenly tap on sign up with Google and pick an email account, you cannot log in this account again on your phone ever on this particular device. So once you tap on quick login, you're going to be getting 300k coin as your welcome bonus, right? So once you get this 300k coin as your welcome bonus, what you do next, you tap on this referral section. Okay, now once you tap on referral, you can see this place now that this arrow is pointing at, that's your profile. Then you tap on profile, right? Just exit, like just tap on X to remove this. Then you tap on your profile, right? Now, once you tap on your profile, this is basically how your profile interface actually looks like. It is going to be like this. Now, this is how you actually need to know that your account is actually valid, right? Now, once you tap on your profile, to get to this interface, you tap on follow. Check that person that you're following. Do you understand? Like once you open up this section, just tap on follow. And once you tap on follow and you see Stephanie, now this is my main account though. Now, once you see this Stephanie now with this particular username and picture, then you know that firstly that you actually got your registration correctly. Now, don't forget that we did quick login. That means that you've not actually like done anything here. So now let us set up our profile. Immediately you check and you see that you're following me. The next thing that you need to do is set up your profile. If you're a male, pick male. If you're a female, pick female. Now you change your age, whatever age it is, but you must be up to 18. Do you understand? So just change your age to your age, the year, and the month, right? So once you're done with this, you tap on confirm. Now, once you're done with this, the next thing that you need to do is your nickname. Now, your nickname, you can either add your real name, you can add pet name, you can add whatever that you actually want to add. Okay. Now, okay, I'm just going to be using Mugadan for this account. Okay, so I will tap on confirm. Next is your personal signature, right? Now you can also put your name there again. Maybe you can add maybe emoji this time around or whatever it is that you actually want to add, right? Now your account, this is where you can now actually log in your Google account. You can see Google is not born, email is not born, so you tap on Google to actually bind your email. Now they're going to bring out the list of emails. You pick the new one that I actually told you guys to create, right? So once you pick the new one, now they're going to ask you to agree and share. Do you understand? You just tap on agree and share, and then your account is going to be burned. Okay. Now you can see my Google has been burned. Now you don't actually need to do the email part anymore, as long as you've done the Google part. Now, once you're done with this, you add a profile picture. Yes, very, very important. Okay, so you can choose from album or you take a picture, because this phone is actually new and there's nothing here. Like there's no picture of mine in this particular phone. So what do I do? I'm just going to pick any random picture. On this app, you don't need face authentication actually. Like you're not doing any face verification here. So you can put anybody's picture, right? So I'm just going to put this particular picture. Then this is how to set up your account. Okay, make sure you check that you're following me and follow these steps to actually set up your account. Now, once you're done setting up your accounts, how do you actually earn on this particular app? So let me show you guys the two ways that you can actually earn money on this particular app. Setting up all of these things, you go over to your profile. Now let me show you something. If you actually use the link, you are going to be earning $3 for playing games. Tap on this place that where you're seeing the 0.2 cents. Let's tap on it and let's see what they're going to say. They say clear 4 lines to win 0.2 cent. All right, now if you do not sign up with any link at all, you are not going to get this particular message there, right? So let's just take one up. Okay, if you want to play game, just long press on any of the block that you want to take up, then you drop it there. Okay, now once you long press on any of them that you want to drop up, you pick another one again. Just make sure, like, just try to match the block. It does not matter whether their colors are the same thing. They just want you to actually match that block. So just keep on doing this. Now note, once you're done registering your account, make sure you play in for like up to 20 to 25 minutes before exiting this app. Very, very important. Without you playing game, you are actually telling this app that you are a robot and you're not a real person, right? So make sure you play game for up to 20 minutes before exiting this particular game app, if you actually want to get your account verified here. So now let me show you something. Now let me take this to this section and let's see, because I'm trying to match it to win something. Now look at this. Okay, now you can see that this blue is shining, mean that if I drop it here, I'm going to actually win something. So don't just be dropping your blocks anyhow. Try to match it and see where it wins. Okay, now as you can see, look at this. I earned eight reward or whatever it is though. Then just continue matching your blocks like that. Don't just drop it casually or randomly anywhere you see it. Try to drop it or match it in a place. Now just like this one, now try to match it in a place where you're actually going to earn something. Okay, then you drop it there, and so that's just basically how to play this game. It's not even that hard or complex. Just try to always match the block in the right place. It does not matter whether the colors are the same thing or not. Just match the block so that you can actually correspond with what the app actually wants. So that's the first way to play games. Now, on this particular game section, like, you can play a lot of games, right? And you're actually going to win. Now, the more you play game, the more you win, the more you actually earn, right? So your gem can actually be withdrawn, yeah. But this particular video is more about how you can actually earn. So maybe I'm going to make another video on how to withdraw. But if you actually want me to make a video on how you can withdraw from this particular app, do what to drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to you, right? So this is just basically how to play this game. Just always drop the blocks according, okay, and okay, just like this one. Now that's just basically it. So I don't want this video to be too long, filled up how to play games. So I believe you guys already have learned how to play the games. Now the more you play games, the more you tap on this place now to actually claim that your dollar reward. Now let's go over to the second way which you can actually earn on this particular app. So the second way to earn on this app is by inviting friends. So just go over to your referral section and copy your invitation link. You can send it to your friends, you can send it to a lot of persons, right? And once they sign up and follow this same exact process, you're actually going to earn a reward for inviting your friends. Now you can see, like, there are a lot of persons here. Now these are a lot of users on this particular app and how much I've been able to make from this particular invite section site. So if you can invite people, you can, but it is not a must. Okay, but if you can only play game, just focus on the gaming section. Now I'm going to be sharing extra tips on how you can actually earn more this particular app on my WhatsApp group. So I'm going to be leaving the link to join my WhatsApp group in the comment section. So check the pinned comment. You're going to be finding the link to join my WhatsApp group and also the link to this app in the comment section, or you check this video description. Just anywhere around this video, you're going to actually find it. Okay, so I'm going to be posting another video tomorrow on the second app every broke student needs, right? Which is actually free to join. Yeah, I'm going to be posting the video tomorrow. So if you're the kind of person that love updates about chatting with foreign persons and audio streaming, then trust me, you would want to watch this video that you're seeing at the top right hand side of your screen, because in that particular video I talked about this new audio streaming app that pays you to stream without showing your face, and you don't actually need to refer people there, and you actually earn 100k points every 2 hours whenever you stream. And tell me in the comment section where you're actually watching this video from. If you found this video really helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And yes, it is totally free to subscribe. You're not paying any money, so that you can actually be the first person to get notified when I post amazing videos just like the one that you just watched. And yes, by doing so, you're telling YouTube algorithm that you love make money online content, and they're going to push out a lot of content like this on your feed. So see you guys tomorrow on the next video.